Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning a dua from Holy Quran, Surah Araf, ayat number 155 and 156. So this dua is more effective and helpful in every part of our life in this world and the world hereafter. And this dua was requested by Musa alayhi salam. So, and when Musa alayhi salam requested this dua, his condition was so much, like he was feeling like this was like a crying situation. So this was the situation when he requested. If we request Allah with this dua, our condition is like we feel all types of our problems and worries and troubles at one place, and eyes are wet and we are before Allah. And when we request Allah with this dua, inshallah this dua will be fruitful and our this world and the world hereafter will be better. So we read this dua first. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم ربنا أنت ولينا فاغفر لنا وارحمنا وأنت خير الغافرين واكتب لنا في هذه الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة إنا هدنا إليك اللهم ربنا أنت ولينا فاغفر لنا وارحمنا وأنت خير الغافرين واكتب لنا في هذه الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة إنا هدنا إليك Allahumma, O Allah, Rabbana, O our Lord, Anta waliyuna, you are our friend, you are our guardian, you are our protector. Faghfir lana, so please forgive us. Warhamna, and be merciful upon us. Wa anta khairul ghafirin, and you are the best forgiver. Waktub lana, and write for us. Fi hazihi dunya, in this world. Hasanatam, goodness. Wa fil akhirati, and for hereafter also. Inna hudna ilaik, indeed we have turned to you for all of your guidance. Allahumma Rabbana Anta waliyuna faghfir lana warhamna wa anta khairul ghafirin waktub lana fi hazihi dunya hasanatan wa fil akhirah inna hudna ilayk. O Allah, O our Lord, you are our guardian, you are our protector, you are our friend. So please forgive us and please be merciful upon us. And you are the best forgiver, and write for us goodness in this world and the world hereafter. Indeed, we have turned to you, O Allah, for all of the guidance. Please accept our dua. So when we request this dua, inshallah, Allah will accept our dua. Keep in mind that qadr is possible to change with this dua. So dua is the effective remedy for all the problems. It is cure for all diseases, cure for all worries, troubles, problems of this world and the world hereafter. So dua is very important. Don't neglect it. Don't leave it. Be attached every time with dua in connection with Allah, so that we should get Allah's special blessings in this world and the world hereafter. Allah give us tawfiq. Ameen.